Think getting fit means spending a ton of money? Gym memberships, expensive equipment, fancy supplements, it all adds up, right? But what if I told you that you can achieve your fitness goals without spending a fortune? Yes, you can get fit, stay healthy, and crush your goals, all on a budget. Stick with me, because in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about staying fit without breaking the bank. By the end, you'll have all the abilities to start your fitness journey today, no matter your budget. Let's start with the most common misconception, that you need a gym membership to get in shape. The truth? You don't. Your body is the best piece of equipment you'll ever have, and bodyweight exercises are incredibly effective. Push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, burpees, and mountain climbers can give you a full-body workout without spending a single penny. These exercises target multiple muscle groups, build strength, and improve endurance. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, at home, in a park, or even in your office during a break. Now, if you're someone who likes to add resistance to your workouts, but doesn't want to spend money on dumbbells or kettlebells, don't worry. You can get creative. Use what you already have at home. Fill a backpack with books or water bottles and use it for weighted squats or rows. Grab a couple of heavy grocery bags and use them for bicep curls or shoulder presses. Even a sturdy chair can be used for tricep dips or step-ups. Fitness is all about creativity, not cost. For cardio, you don't need a treadmill or an expensive spin bike. Go for a run or a brisk walk in your neighborhood. If you have stairs at home or in your building, use them for a killer cardio and leg workout. And let's not forget about jump ropes. They're one of the cheapest and most effective cardio abilities out there. Just 10 minutes of jumping rope can burn as many calories as 30 minutes of jogging. Plus, it's fun, easy to store, and great for improving coordination. Now, let's move on to nutrition, which is where most people think they need to spend a lot of money. Here's the truth. You don't need fancy supplements, protein powders, or expensive meal plans to fuel your body. Stick to affordable, nutrient-dense staples. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and incredibly versatile. Oats are cheap, filling, and perfect for breakfast or snacks. Lentils and beans are packed with protein and fiber, making them a great option for vegetarians and anyone on a budget. Bananas are one of the cheapest fruits and are loaded with potassium and energy. And don't overlook frozen veggies. They're just as nutritious as fresh ones, last longer, and are often more affordable. Meal prepping is another game changer when it comes to saving money and eating healthy. Here's how you do it. Pick a day, like Sunday, and cook in bulk. Make a big batch of rice or quinoa, roast a variety of vegetables, and cook a protein source like chicken, tofu, or lentils. Portion everything out into containers, and you've got healthy, ready-to-eat meals for the entire week. This not only saves you time, but also prevents you from spending money on last-minute takeout or unhealthy snacks. And here's a pro tip. Spices and sauces are your best friends. A simple spice mix or a homemade sauce can completely transform your meals and keep them exciting. You don't need to spend a lot. Basic spices like paprika, cumin, garlic powder, and black pepper are affordable and go a long way. For sauces, try making your own vinaigrette, hummus, or yogurt-based dips. They're healthier, cheaper, and taste amazing. Let's talk about fitness equipment. You don't need to buy a ton of expensive gear to get started. If you want to invest in something, start small. Resistance bands are incredibly affordable and versatile. You can use them for strength training, stretching, and even rehab exercises. They're lightweight, portable, and perfect for home workouts. A basic yoga mat is another great investment, especially if you're into yoga, Pilates, or stretching. And if you're looking for weights, check out secondhand stores or online marketplaces where people often sell used fitness equipment at a fraction of the cost. Another great option, DIY equipment. For example, you can make your own sandbag for strength training by filling a duffel bag with sand or rice and sealing it tightly. Or use a sturdy broomstick and 2 water jugs to create a makeshift barbell. The possibilities are endless if you're willing to get creative. Now, let's address the mindset, which is arguably the most important part of fitness on a budget. Fitness isn't about having the fanciest gear or the most expensive gym membership. It's about consistency, creativity, and making the most of what you have. Use free resources like YouTube for workout tutorials. There are thousands of free videos for every fitness level, from beginner to advanced. Download free fitness apps to track your progress, set goals, and stay motivated. Many of these apps even offer guided workouts and meal plans tailored to your needs. Another tip? Take advantage of your local community. Many parks have free outdoor fitness equipment, and some cities offer free or low-cost fitness classes. If you're in a place with a strong fitness community, like running groups or yoga meetups, join them. They're often free and a great way to stay motivated and meet like-minded people. And let's not forget about recovery, which is a crucial part of any fitness journey. You don't need expensive massages or recovery abilities. Stretching, foam rolling, and even a tennis ball can help relieve muscle tension and improve flexibility. Hydration is also key. Drink plenty of water, which is free and essential for your body to recover and perform at its best. Lastly, let's talk about accountability. Staying consistent with fitness can be tough, especially when you're on a budget and don't have access to a gym or personal trainer. But here's the thing, accountability doesn't have to cost money. Find a workout buddy, join an online fitness community, or even just write down your goals and track your progress. The more you hold yourself accountable, the more likely you are to stick with your routine. So, here's the bottom line. Fitness doesn't have to cost a fortune. You don't need a fancy gym, expensive equipment, or overpriced supplements to get in shape. With bodyweight exercises, affordable nutrition, and a little creativity, you can stay fit, healthy, and strong without spending a ton of money. It's not about how much you spend, it's about how much effort you put in. Fitness is for everyone, no matter your budget. And remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Found this helpful? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on fitness, nutrition, and living your best life. On a budget, let's make fitness accessible for everyone. You've got this.